Enhanced Neurofeedback Mindfulness Using a Portable EEG Device, a pilot case study by Julia Maurer, MOT student at Texas Women's University Houston Center. Purpose of this pilot case study is to look at mindfulness meditation contributing to occupational well-being and wellness through the Muse app at a certain period of time and compared about a month and a half later. Use the app called Muse to look at real-time data. Consists of baseline data from unguided meditation, then intervention data from guided meditation, and post data from unguided meditation. The results showed fluctuating data with low numbers in the unguided meditation. In addition, the guided meditation also resulted in fluctuating data, but had some of the highest numbers. Here's a quote. Mindfulness meditation has become a trending topic among health and wellness. Muse EEG device gives you feedback about your meditation in real time by translating your brain signals into the sounds of weather. When your mind is calm and settled, you'll hear calm and peaceful weather. When your mind is active, the weather will get louder. You can choose from soundscapes like beach, rainforest, or city park. Another quote from the app. Muse has been tested and validated against EEG systems that are exponentially more expensive and is used by neuroscientists around the world in real-world neuroscience research inside and outside the lab. Here is the device. It has 7 calibrated sensors that you place on your forehead. Recoveries are going from an active to a neutral, represent effort spent noticing your distractions. So you are fluctuating. This builds the skill of focus. In other words, the individual was able to quickly go from an active state back down to a neutral state. Birds are a symbol that land nearby when you're calm for a period of time and will make a chirping sound. Guided meditation starts out with connecting the headband, moves into an instructor giving you certain guided instructions based on that topic chosen, and then moves into the soundscape chosen. The unguided meditation starts out the same with the headband, but moves directly into the soundscape chosen for meditation. A calm state is a deep resting state that is focusing on your breath. A neutral state is a natural resting state with no fluctuations, but also no deep focus. An active state is wandering, fluctuating attention, or a distracted mind. The participant is Julia. She's 25 years old, female, white, and occupational therapy student. For the unguided meditation, which is our baseline before intervention, meditated for 5 minutes once a day for 7 days. The headband was placed on the forehead and used the app called Muse. Beach soundscape was chosen with no exercise instructions for all 7 days. For the intervention, guided meditation, week 2 and 3, meditated for 5 minutes once a day for 5 days straight. The headband was also placed on the forehead and used the app, but also used the exercise instructions, which is the guided meditation, that had 5 different topics that go in order. Each topic spoke briefly for about a minute or 2. Here is an example of the guided meditation instructions. For unguided meditation, which week 4 after the intervention is the same as the baseline. Here's a signal quality check example that you did before starting each session to make sure that the quality and the electrodes are placed correctly. The 5-facet mindfulness questionnaire is a self-measurement and scoreable questionnaire completed by the participant. It's 5 aspects: observation, description, aware actions, non-judgmental inner experience, and non-reactivity. A score closer to 5 equals more mindfulness in the individual. A score closer to 1 equals less mindfulness in the individual. It's a spectrum, so the assessment does not rule out someone to be lacking mindfulness or having extreme mindfulness. Here is the week 1 baseline unguided meditation. Here's the intervention data in a chart form, which is the guided meditation, and this is the percentages of calm as well. As you can see, in week 2, it had 97% and 98%. It got to that. And in week 3, it got to 99%. Intervention data, week 2 and 3 in a chart form. Post-intervention trajectory, week 4, which is the unguided meditation. Here's the FFMQ pre- and post-intervention scores. As you can see in the far right column, that 5 out of the 7, actually 4 out of the 6 objectives increased, and observe and non-reactivity decreased. but not significantly. It appears guided meditation results in a higher percentage of calm, which is a calm state. So the intervention data has significantly higher scores than the pre-intervention and post-intervention. Meditation requires repetitive practice. Feelings of peace and calm are felt. No known negative cognitive effects. Progresses in real time, and it has the ability to set reminders to meditate. Meditation also is very sensitive to change, helps one engage in their mind, and increases self-awareness from session to session. Meditation, majority of the sessions started out in a calm state and received a bird chirp. That could be due to the initial meditation where one starts out, and then as the session grows longer, the mind begins to wander. It can have possible effects on attention. No higher than 53% of calm was obtained for both the pre-intervention and post-intervention work, the unguided meditation. For pre-intervention, percentage of calm was not consistent. Intervention data, it appears using guided meditation allows one to reach a more consistent calm state. Post-intervention also revealed fluctuating numbers. Some limitations: data collection was not a guided meditation teaching technique to reach a calm state for the pre and post. Some data collections and interventions took place around holidays, and results are only from one person. For beginning of sessions to calm clients, meditation can help them prepare to focus on therapy. It can be useful for group therapy, reduce stress levels, potentially lead to a good night's sleep, and contribute to memory, concentration, attention, and maybe even processing skills. More studies need to be done. Maybe a study comparing unguided meditation and guided meditation could be useful. For intervention, consider picking a guided meditation topic for 1 week and then another for the following week. And here are some literature reviews. So the cognitive behavioral frame of reference is 5 interrelated aspects: thoughts, behaviors, emotion, psychological responses, and the environment. Focuses on appraising clients' problems through interviews, questionnaires, and clinical observations. Includes use of cognitive behavioral techniques for anxiety management, phobia, and chronic fatigue.